Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sazon, and since the Super Bowl is today, I'm going to make chicken parm sliders. This recipe includes boneless chicken thighs, mozzarella cheese, Hawaiian sweet rolls, fried chicken flavored seasoning, Italian style breadcrumbs, parmesan, AP flour, cloves of garlic, butter, marinara sauce, seasoned salt, 2 eggs, and garlic powder. Alright, let's start by making our chicken cutlets by taking 2 chicken breasts and beating them. When we fry our chicken breasts and put them on the sandwiches, we don't want them to be too thick. Before we start coating our chicken breasts, let's grab a cast iron pan and coat it with grapeseed oil and turn on the stove to high heat. Now that our chicken breasts are flattened out, let's assemble the coatings. First, let's grab a bowl and pour in half a cup of AP flour. Next, grab your second bowl and crack in 2 eggs and whisk them. And your final bowl will be 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs. In this bowl, this is where you put in all the seasonings. So add in 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a tablespoon of seasoned salt, 2 tablespoons of fried chicken flavored seasoning, and mix it. Now it's time to coat the chicken breast and let the flavors dance together. Get 1 chicken and then coat it in flour, then the egg wash, and then finally coat it in the breadcrumb mixture. And do the same thing with the other chicken breast. Now it's time for our chicken breast to swim in the pan coated with oil. Make sure to fry your chicken cutlets until they're nice and crispy. Also, be sure to use a meat thermometer to check what temperature the chicken is at. The internal temp for chicken is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Please make sure to not undercook it or else you'll end up getting salmonella. Once the chicken cutlets are nice and crispy, place them on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. Now it's time to get a cutting board. Take your Hawaiian sweet rolls and cut them in half. It's time to assemble our sliders. First, let's take our chicken cutlets and layer them on top of the bread. Next, let's scoop some of that marinara sauce on top of our chicken breast. Alright, let's open the jar. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. You guys must be wondering, do I want the Chiefs or the Eagles to win? I want the Eagles to win since I got a soft spot for them. As you guys know, they are looking good this year. I just wish I could see my Cowboys in the Super Bowl again. But maybe next year. And the most important thing to this dish is adding our cheeses. So let's sprinkle some of that Parmesan and mozzarella. Definitely that Parmesan cheese. Chicken parm without Parmesan cheese is like Batman and Robin without Batman. If you want to put this in the oven to let the cheese melt, you have to make a garlic butter sauce. So get a bowl, add in 2 cloves of garlic and 3 tablespoons of melted butter and mix. Once you made your sauce, drizzle some of that butter over the bread, cover, and bake until that cheese is super melted. This is optional, but I would love to make a garnish on top for these sliders. So let's get some of that fresh parsley and sprinkle it on top, and after that, sprinkle some of that Parmesan cheese. After that, it's time to slice up our 12 sliders and enjoy. Also, if you're wondering how to say chicken parm sliders in Spanish, it's deslizadores de pollo a la parmesana. Alright, it's time to enjoy our sliders. I'm gonna try it now, and I won't cap. These are so good, and I definitely recommend this recipe for Sunday Night Football. This is pretty much something that you can cook anytime, anywhere, and is good as a snack. I can't wait to watch the Super Bowl tonight. I've been waiting all year for this, and all I gotta say is, how about the Migos? Perfecto. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, and it's time to watch the Super Bowl.